Do you sometimes feel like things are happening for your students, but you are unaware? Do you ever wish you could feel more in the know about the students or the schools for whom you are responsible? Profile subscriptions in WeCollab provide insight into the information being shared without having to be present at every conversation. School users can easily subscribe to and unsubscribe from student profiles. District users have this same functionality as well as the opportunity to do the same with school profiles. Once subscribed, changes in the profile are then included in the automatic summary emails that come from the WeCollab system. For example, if an alert has been placed on a profile, or if a new meeting note has been recorded, the email will highlight the change and invite the user into the system for further detail. Profile subscriptions are a convenient way to stay in the know. Schedule a conversation with our team to learn more about the potential of WeCollab.